Just got a bit of that goat you see me shoot and a few yowie pods here. I forgot to put them out earlier, but I just pulled this one in and had a fair few in it. So hopefully we get enough for a feed. Just check these ones. Loaded. You beauty. Couple of decent ones in there. Beautiful. Got one more to check. Grab the bigger ones out. Straight in the bag and straight nice. Not bad, not bad. Couple of decent ones in here. Should be enough for a feed. It's a good one. Too small. Let him go. Just makes the cut. He nearly got me. Make sure you don't have any eggs. Nope, he's right. Got to feed just out of this one pot. That little fella can go. He's alright. Come on. Let him go. Oh, there's a couple on this side. Missing a few. Not bad ones too. This fella holding on for dear life. Come on, mate. Get in. It is hot out here. Put this back to the big monitor lizard going through the water. Wicked. Hey, terrible throw. It's better. Alright, we'll just go check this last one. This one Kat put in, so she's back at camp at the moment cooking lunch. Hopefully this has a few as well. Let's see, call more. Oh, looking good. Oh, she might have done me here, boys. She's got some good. Oh, she's got a cracker. Easy got the biggest. Outdone again. There's a good one in here. Look at that one. Perla. She's done me, outdone me, and she's back at camp, doesn't even know it. I'll bring her down, we'll do one more pull, I'll bring her down. She can pull the other ones. Anyway, I'll sort through these and probably see you on the next pull. Righto, Kat's turn to pull them all in now. Let's see who does better. Flies are insane.
How fast are they?
Nah, pull it like this.
They've probably got nothing in there.
Just a couple.
Yeah,
Couple, few. There's a couple of decent ones in there. Get the big ones, throw those little ones. There's a clean one. A few, there's a couple of decent ones in there. Get the big ones, throw those little ones. There's a clean one.
That one?
No, this one I'm holding's clean as.
They like to stick to the net.
Yeah, they'll grab the net.
This one doesn't want to let go.
Just make sure they don't have eggs.
Yeah.
These ones are small, I can go back. Leave some more for next time. She's got eggs. Small, he's pretty big and clean. Oh, what? Should have kept that one after they threw it out.
That doesn't want to let go.
Oops, that one was a real good one. Yeah.
That one.
Come on, buddy. Alright, get the next one. Small ones. Oh, there's one alright.
Medium ones.
Oh, there's a couple of alright ones actually. He's clean as that one. He's real nice. You know the benefit of the doubt. They're all little, maybe just try to shake them out. Come on. Someone wants to come with us. Get out of here. Yep. Last one, lucky last. Make it count. Oop, I seen something.
You in there?
Pretty good size ones too.
Yeah.
Bigger. What do we got? Here's a good one.
Not so bad.
He's too small, we'll let him go. He's green as, it must be living in the algae. He's not too bad.
Yeah, there's a couple with like fairly clean ones. Quite dirty.
He's nice. No nippers on this fella, he's clean, but
Yeah, this one's clean. I can't get to him, but that one looks real clean.
yeah, that's like the one I just let go back over there.
Yeah, that one was pretty gross. Should we just let that one?
No, it's just the
He's a
outside.
good size, but
Come on, buddy. Whoa, nearly got me.
yeah, I feel like if we give them a good scrub, they should be right.
I'll clean them out, they'll be right. Hey, that's because you're holding it from the tail.
Are you supposed to hold them from the tail?
No.
Oh.
Not at all. Wait, nearly got me. Let them go.
I thought you were supposed to hold them from the tail.
Come on, mate. You're going in the water if you let go right now.
That was more than me.
Hiding.
Small.
Yeah, I'll show you how to hold them.
Like that?
Put it on the ground. And grab them up behind that nymphus.
Oh,
So they can't reach back.
Yeah, okay.
Something like that.
I thought you just held it there.
Alrighties guys, so it's the next day and we're going to cook up those yabbies that we got from the camp spot yesterday. We kept them nice and fresh overnight and we're going to do the most basic recipe of salt and boiling water and see how they go. We've got the water boiling in the back right now, just waiting for it to get hot enough, and then I'll pop these guys on and yeah, we'll do a little taste test at the end. Alrighty, so we've just got the pot boiling. We're about to add these yabbies in. Alrighty, so I've just got the yabbies boiling away at the moment, not too far off until they will be done, and we'll see how they turn out. Okay, so these look like they're just about done, so we're just going to remove them and we'll cut them open and we'll see what they're like. Alrighties guys, so we finished cooking the yabbies. This is how they turned out. So we're going to do a little taste test to see how they went. I've pre-peeled a couple here, so let's try. It's actually pretty good. Nice and salty. I think next time we can try it with a little bit of dressing, but yeah, overall I'd rate it an 8 out of 10. So anyways, that's it for today's video, guys. I'm going to go enjoy the rest of these and we'll catch you in the next video.